DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, I've got this thing. I got the jig set up. I had to do quite a lot of weird stuff to make sure these are level. And, you know, because this has to be parallel to that one. So anyway, I'm ready to tack it. I'm going to tack it right back there, just to get it solid, and maybe I can throw a tack here and on the other side, and then we'll be ready to go. Then I can paint it. Alright, so that's the next step. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, but I did. This is what the hook's going to go through to lift this thing. And there's going to be some braces going from here to right about there, you know, some pieces of metal to, you know, make this thing strong. Okay, I just got done welding this. So you can see how I've filled in all this. So this is super tight. And anyway, it's ready to paint it, and or at least test it. It's really hot, so I'm not touching it for a while, but this part is done. Oh wait, it's not done. I still got to put these braces in here, from here to there. That's going to be fun to cut. That should work all right. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's do some braces. Dun 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 dun. Well, I found this piece, part of the bed frame, 1 inch or whatever the fuck it is, and we're going to put it right about there. And we're just going to mark here about the line even with this. And these are the greatest pens for metal marking. I got these from the guy that does wagon wheels on YouTube. Look him up. He's got a great channel, Silver Streak. Anyway, it's got a little thing in here where you can sharpen the tip. And as far as marking metal, they're really great. See this little sharpener in here, you just... Fuck, I just... that was brutal. Fuck. Okay, so if I can get it more out... Damn. That's what I get for trying to show you how to sharpen it. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm going to steady my hands. So you take this, maybe I'll put a little bit in. Anyway, you take this in here, and you know it's hot, that's why. It's hot as fuck. I probably shouldn't even be doing this in this heat. What an idiot. Anyway, you turn this, and it sharpens it. It's like a little pencil sharpener in there. There we go. See that tip now? There. Okay, so we marked this, and we don't have to cut up here at all. We just need to cut it there, about, well, that angle, and then, and that's it. Just one, you know, a couple cuts, and then this will sit inside here. So I'm going to go do that, and that's it on this part. Okay, this is going to get noisy. These are the coolest things, these little cutoff wheels on your grinder. So Helps to have a vise. Let's put it like that. Right at me. It's wobbly. Let's grind it a little bit. I love this grinder. There's the stand. You just use a wheel rim and fill it up with concrete, put a pipe in, and you got a nice stand. There we go. If it works, I'll make another one, but it'll have to be a reverse. So, there you go. Oops, my angle's a little wrong. I need to make it shorter. Well, I guess I'll just change the angle. Where's my pen? Thought I marked that right. So it's actually like this. Probably grind that. But see, you get to see all the screw-ups too. I did measure that, but it's wrong. If it was a little shorter, it might be right on. I guess right there, but it needs to go there. So actually, that's the angle. Okay. That's better. Beautiful. So there you go. All I gotta do now is weld it and make another one. The other side is going to be different. Just gonna make it, see, the other side is going to be, I need this angle on this side, on the other one, on this one. So I'm going to make a duplicate before I weld it. Okay, ready to put this side on. Weld this one on right here. So let me do that, and I made another one. Well, actually, this is the first one. I copied that one, so it's a pretty good fit. The welds will take care of any gaps, and that'll make this super strong. It'll actually make it as if it was this wide, okay? It'll make this wide. That's what this does. Okay, let me weld that. Okay, there she is in all her glory. I got these two pieces welded on. Welded them on the inside. No need for that. I'm going to grind some of these rough spots off and then paint it. But here's a cheap welding test, how your welds are. If it rings, you did good. That means it's all one piece. But anyway, it should work. So, theory is, we'll just raise her up on this pole. Okay? Might have to grease it a little bit, but we're going to find out. Okay, that's it for now. Now it's time to do the bottom brace on this. Something similar. I mean, this is not the pole, but the tall one. We got to do the same, sort of the same thing here. Go out and in, because this will want to go that way when we lift. So that'll be the next step, and so we'll work on this pole next. Okay, that's it. Oh, here's some measurements if anybody wants to build one of these. This is 2-inch pipe. That other one's 1.5. We already told you this. This one's 14. 1412. And the length is 17 inches. Probably be shorter. And this piece is about 6.5. Alright, so those are your measurements in case you wanted to build one of these. On these you just go about halfway up the cross braces. Hey, motorcycle. There's some kind of a steering apparatus. Okay. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want. We got a lot of good stuff coming. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer.